I got one of these Mr. Heaters. You hook it up to a small propane can or with an adapter, one of the big boys. Instructions and the unit. It says to hold down this pilot for 30 seconds. Yeah, it was pretty toasty. I had to take my jacket off. This thing is cool. Or is it hot? Probably don't want it running all night. I don't know if I'd have to wake up every once in a while and get warm, but I could sleep without a blanket right now.